Last but not least, compound interest. Now we need to remember one formula for this, and it's actually compound interest is actually just interest which is compounded. I mean, it's like it's like simple interest, but it's exponential. It grows faster over time. The formula: A equals to P bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N. Now it's over 100 because usually they give in a percent. So unless they don't give it to you in a percentage, you don't have to put in 100. But usually they do. So yeah. Now the N is number of years. Usually the question will say whether they compounded it monthly or yearly. So you have to tweak the formula to the question. A is the final amount and P is the starting amount or principal amount. Now usually to find interest, you just take this value, A, and you minus the principal amount to find the interest earned. So first question, a sum of this $500 is invested at compound interest of 5% per year for 3 years. Find the final amount. So we use the same formula. And we find that the final amount is this. You give it to 2dp as money is always in 2dp. And yeah, principal bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N. And it's 3 because they compound it yearly for 3 years. Now, if I say they compound it per quarterly, now you have to change the N value because since it's compounded per quarterly for 3 years and each year has 4 quarters, you need to multiply by 3 to give you 12. And now your new power will be 12 instead. Here's another example. Savings account offers 7% interest compounded annually. How long will it take for this to grow to this? Now we see we have our A, we have our final amount, we have our initial amount, and we have our rate. So we just need to find N up here. As you can see, we just need to find the unknown value, which is this. So we put this formula into here. A equals to P1 plus the interest, which I already added together, to both N. And then you get this value. Now to find N, you just take logarithm or ln both sides, and you find this in terms of nearest year.